illuminates the 5th of November with vibrant celebrations across Britain. This cherished tradition marks the thwarting of the 1605 Gunpowder Plot, where Guy Fawkes and others sought to destroy the Houses of Parliament. Fawkes, apprehended while guarding barrels of explosives, transformed a moment of treachery into a night of festivity. As darkness descends, skies erupt with colorful fireworks, casting shimmering reflections on nearby faces. Bonfires crackle, sending flames dancing upwards, while the effigy figure of Fawkes bursts into flames, a symbolic act of catharsis. Traditional treats like toffee apples and warm jacket potatoes nourish the crowd, creating a feast of flavors amidst laughter and whispers of history. Amidst the merriment, communities unite, sharing stories of the past and delighting in the present. Bonfire Night vividly intertwines revelry with remembrance, celebrating resilience and the spirit of togetherness.